Which movie do you think 不好看? You can point out your competitor's movie.
Yeah, I wouldn't do that.
No, I'm joking. Hello and welcome to Talk Chineasy, where we teach you Chinese with ease. My name is ShaoLan. I'm going to teach you a useful phrase of Chinese every day. In this episode, we are going to learn how to say sounds good. We are joined by Philip Rowley, the Chief Financial Officer of Sony Pictures Entertainment. Hi, Philip.
Hi, ShaoLan. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you. 你好. 你好. That means how are you? 你好. Yes.
你好.
你好. Right. Today we are going to talk about it sounds good. I know you have been very active not only in the entertainment music business. Yourself is also a musician.
Yes, of sorts. That's right.
Yeah. So which instruments do you play?
I play guitar, bass, and piano.
Guitar, bass, and piano. And do you sing? You have a very good voice.
No, I don't sing. I've got a terrible singing.
Right. Okay. So to describe the sound, either the music of the singing or anything, any sound very good. We say in Chinese, we say 好听.
好听.
好听. And 好 means good. When we say 你好, 好 that means good. And in this case, it's used as an adverb. So it means very much. 好 is a third tone. 好.
好.
好. And 听, it's to listen. And in Chinese, unlike English, to hear or to listen, we use the same word. 听.
听.
听. So it's very hear, very listen. In this case, that means, oh, it sounds good. 好听.
好听.
好听. So we can say, oh, Philip, your piano 好听. And your bass 好听. Your guitar 好听. And if you really want to emphasize it's really, really super duper good, then we say 好好听. We just repeat 好 twice. 好好听.
好好听.
好好听. And if we want to say something, oh no, it doesn't sound good. And it's literal meaning it doesn't sound good in English may mean, oh no, it's not a good idea. Oh no, that's a problem. But here we just basically to describe the music or the sound we don't like, we say 不好听.
不好听.
不好听. 不 is negative meaning. That means no. 不好听.
不好听.
不好听. And then let's imagine you just had a concert and I was in the audience. And then after the concert, you ask me, oh, how do you like my music? So you can ask me, 好不好听?
好不好听?
好不好听? So you see the pattern? It's very simple. Just put 好 is very, 不好, good or not good. Listen. 好不好听 means how do you like the music? How does it sound to you? 好不好听?
好不好听?
好不好听? Let's push it further since you are so good. To describe whether or not you like the television program or whether or not you like the movie, we say 好看.
好看.
好看. 好 is the same, very much. And 看 is a fourth tone. 看, that means to watch.
Okay.
Yeah, so 好看, that means, good, watch. And watch what? Watch the movie. Watch the television. So 好看, that means, oh, this movie is so good or that television is very good. And because when we speak, there's a context, we don't really need to describe. So we say, oh, that movie 好看.
好看.
好看. You are in Sony Picture Entertainment. Do you have any big movies coming up soon?
Well, I think one of the big exciting movies that's coming up is Spider-Man, which is
I love
going
Spider-Man.
to be Spider-Man when he was younger. So they've done different stages of his life. It's now going to
Hold
be a young
on.
Spider-Man.
He was already very young every time.
He's going to be even younger.
He never aged. I've been watching Spider-Man since I was a kid. He never aged.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Spider-Man in Chinese, we say 蜘蛛人. 蜘蛛 is spider. 人 means person. And if you don't like some movie, we say 不好看.
不好看.
不好看. Which movie you think 不好看?
不好看. Which movie?
Yeah, which movie do you think 不好看? You can point out your competitor's movie.
Yeah, I wouldn't do that.
No, I'm joking. Yeah. Okay. horror movies 不好看。
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah.
Some are good.
Yeah, that's right. I know. All right. Thank you so much, Philip, for joining us. Today we learned how to say 好看 for a movie, 好听 for the music. And thank you for listening to Talk Chineasy, where we teach you one useful phrase of Chinese every day. We hope you enjoy this episode. Please don't forget to rate us, review us, and share what you have learned. Until next time. 再见, Philip.
Thank you, ShaoLan.
再见. Okay, 谢谢.